Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation on the sector model of urban growth and its application to Klang, Selangor. We are excited to share insight on how cities grow and development over time. Before we begin our presentation, I would like to introduce my team members who have worked together on this project. I am Krista Fatima Al-Zahra binti Yusri, and we have Aisyatun Nadia binti Ghazali, Farah Adibah binti Fairuz, Siti Moni binti Rahman, and Siti Nur Ashila binti Zakaria. Each of us has contributed to different aspects of this presentation, including research, analysis, content development, and design to ensure that we deliver an informative and engaging session. Now, let's move on the main topic of our presentation. Our objective today is to explain Homer Hoyt's sector models of urban growth, how it works, and how it applies to the city of Klang in Selangor. The sector model of urban growth was introduced by Homer Hoyt in 1939 as an improvement to the concentric zone model. It suggests that cities do not expand in perfect circle but rather in sectors or wedges, influenced by factors such as transportation route, economic activities, and social class distribution. In this model, urban areas grow outward from the central business district along major transportation route, forming distant zones. Each zone has different types of land use and social group. Now, let's move to the next topic, which is key characteristic of Homer Hoyt's sector model.
5 key characteristics. First, central business district. Commercial, financial, and administrative activities are concentrated here. Second, transportation and industry. Industrial areas grow along rail lines, highways, or rivers, creating distinct corridors. Third, low-class residential areas near industrial zones, housing workers in proximity to factories and transport routes. Fourth, middle-class residential areas located between high-quality and lower-income zones, catering to middle-class residents. The last one is high-class residential areas, wealthier areas developed along desirable routes, such as scenic or elevated areas. These zones avoid industrial areas and enjoy proximity to green spaces.
This map of Klang represents urban land use and development patterns which can be analysed using Hoyt's sector model. The sector model suggests that cities develop in wedge-shaped sectors that radiate outward from the central business district, which is called CBD, along transportation routes. Firstly, marked in the red circles in the centre of the map, this area represents the economic, commercial and administrative hub of Klang. Major roads converge towards this area, reinforcing its role as a heart of the city. Secondly, the upper part of the map, which is north and northeast, is designed as transportation and industry. According to Hoyt's model, industrial areas tend to develop along major transport routes such as highways, railways, and ports. This matches the industrial growth along the major highways and the Port Klang area, ensuring the efficient goods movement. From Hoyt's model theory, low residential area develops near industrial areas due to the affordability and job proximity. The west part of the map, labeled as low residential area, fit with the sector model because these areas are typically occupied by factory workers and low-wage earned working in industrial jobs, while the northwest of Klang is labelled as a middle-class residential area. According to the sector model, middle-income housing typically develops between low-income and high-income areas and follow the major transportation routes. This area consists of planned township, terrace houses, and mid-range apartments. Last but not least, on the southeast and northeast of Klang City are marked as a high-class residential area, because in Hoyt's model, high-income residential areas develop far from the industrial zones in desirable locations with better amenities. These are often features gated communities, luxury housing, parks and shopping centres. Therefore, I have been labelled Bandar Botanik and Kota Bayu Mas and Setiap Alang are example of such high-end residential sectors in this map.
In summary, the sectoral model of urban growth effectively explains how cities expand. Instead of growing in circles, cities develop in sectors based on transportation route and socio-economic factors. Klang, Selangor follow this pattern with different land use zones developing outward from its CBD along major roads and railways. This model helps urban planners understand how cities evolve and how to manage future urban expansion, transportation networks, and zoning policies. Finally, let's conclude our presentation. We hope you find this information useful. Thank you for watching.